Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Onkyo subwoofer not working in 2026. So in order to basically fix it, the very first thing that you need to check is the indicator light. So make sure that the power is on and you need to take a look at this particular LED light over here. If there is no light at all, you can just simply try a different power outlet or a different cable and see if now there is an indicator light turning on. Then you need to check how your subwoofer is connected. If it is wired, ensure that the RCA cable is plugged into the sub out port on your receiver. If it is wireless, you just have to make sure that it is paired properly with the receivers. After doing so, you just have to go to the AV receiver settings. Just make sure that your subwoofer is enabled and the speaker settings are also correct. Also, you can increase the subwoofer level or the bass output. After doing so, simply play the content with the strong bass. Some audio sources may not send the signals to the subwoofer, so you can also test it with different media. So you can try all of these methods one by one and see if your Onkyo subwoofer is now working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.